Hi, this is Jason. I'm going to walk you around this Ford Transit today. So for sale here at Roy Wood Transits, we've got a Ford Transit 350. It's an L3H2, so long wheelbase, medium roof, Trend Series, frozen white. So June registered on 2018 on an 18 plate. It's the 2 litre 170, so the rare 170, rear wheel drive, 6.3 tonne train mass as well, so ticks all the boxes for an engineer's van. It is an ex-engineer's van, got the security locks on each of the doors already. Also comes on top of the Trend Series with factory nav and cab aircon, so really good spec van, big engine, good towing capacity, nice condition, ready for work. 53,000 miles, 17,995 plus the VAT. Just been serviced and prepped here. That includes 5 new tyres. It didn't have a spare wheel, so brand new spare wheel we've brought in, and 5 brand new tyres. It did have some flashing lights on the roof which have been removed. So there is, if you look on, if it's parking outside your office window and you look down on it, there's 4 metal squares bolted into the roof, just where the lights were fitted. So being the rear wheel drive, you've got the step in the side loading door, full bulkhead, yellow grab handle too, brand new spare wheel, brand new tyre. That will be refitted in the load, underneath the load area at the back before collection. Ply lining, sides, doors, wheel boxes. Nice big rear bumper step. £500 plus the VAT if you'd like us to fit a tow bar as well. Obviously this one with the bigger engine and the good train mass as well. So into the cab. Cab aircon and obviously heater. Factory nav. Just pop it into reverse so you can see the parking sensors as well. Heated windscreen. Cruise control. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Bluetooth. 53,154 on the miles for you. Automatic headlights. You've got heated and folding mirrors as well, so pull the mirror switch down, mirrors fold in. Same thing in reverse, push it down again, mirrors fold back out for you. So in summary, Ford Transit 350, L3H2, 2 litre 170, rear wheel drive, big towing capacity, Trend Series, cab aircon, factory nav, security locks on all the doors. Great condition van, ready for work now, 53,000 miles. 17,995 plus the VAT, 500 quid plus the VAT if you'd like us to fit a tow bar. In stock today and ready for work. So if you'd like any more details or you'd like to book a viewing or a test drive, you're more than welcome. Give me a call in the office please, 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much, take care.